Welcome to another rhythm lesson, you guys. I have 3 djembe patterns for you that fit the dance Garangedon, and this is Bambara dance. Any rhythm that ends in don means dance. So even though we call it a rhythm name, it's really a dance, right? So this is the accompaniment, and there's 3 djembe parts. This is a triple. It's a 12/8 meter. So we're going to count it. 1, 2, 3, 2, 3, 4, 2, right? Sets of 3. And there's 3 djembe patterns, like I mentioned. The first one is the most difficult, and it's a 2-bar pattern. And then we've got 2 1-bar patterns. Djembe 2 and 3 are 1-bar patterns, all right? So let's jump into it. Now it's time to learn the first djembe part for Garangedon, and we're going to hear the intro. This is a triple meter rhythm. So we're going to hear the lead in, and then I will play djembe 1. Okay, so there's a lot going on here, but it's not that complicated. What I want to do is play 2 things for you right now. I want to go with the basic rhythm that goes throughout the whole pattern, and then we're going to learn that figure. There's a 7-note figure that we're gonna dive into. All right, so first we're gonna start with 1, 2, 2, 2, 2, 3, 2, 2, 4, 2, 2, got, 1, 2, ta, 2, ti, ta, 3, ti, ta, 4, ti, ta, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, bass, stop, bass, slap, bass, slap, bass, slap. Okay, so that's pretty much going on the whole time, and it's the bass in the first beat. So this is a 2-bar phrase. I think I misspoke earlier. It's a 2-bar phrase, 8-beat phrase. So at the beginning of every 4 beats, there's a bass tone, right? So let's just focus on that. I'm going to play the dunduns, and I'm just going to play that, what I just played. All right, here we go. All right, now there's a figure that you heard, and that is in the 2nd bar, and it starts on the 3rd segment of the first beat. So you know how we go 1, 2, 3. All right, so it starts right there, and we're gonna play bop boop boop bop boop boop bop. So bass slap tone tone slap tone tone slap. And that's that 7-note figure. All right, so we got 2 sets of slap tone tone, and we're going to alternate our hands. I'm playing right-handed right now, so I'm landing the bass with my right, and then I start with my left. Slap tone tone, slap tone tone, right? So something you guys can practice before you do any of this is just practice slap tone tone, alternating, right? So we're gonna switch our lead, or I'll switch our slap hand every set of 3, right? So it's gonna be left, right, 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 right? So just practice that. All right. Now, the figure, we just go bass, slap, tone, tone, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, bass, slap, tone, tone, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, bass, slap, tone, tone, slap, tone, tone, slap. And that's just the second bar, right? So the first bar is what we started with. Bass, slap, 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 bass, slap, tone, tone, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, bass. Da, do, da, da, doom. All right? So not too complicated. Let's do it again with the dundun so you can hear it in context. Okay, now we're going to move on and learn Djembe 2. Okay, this is Djembe 2 for Garangedon, and pretty easy, you guys. I'm going to show it to you, and I'll just do Djembe 3 right after this. They're almost the same, so we're going to do this in one shot, Djembe 2, Djembe 3. It's really Djembe 1 was the most difficult, so relief is coming. All right, so let's go to the overhead. And let's take a listen. I'm going to play Djembe 1 and Djembe 2 right here after the break, after the cue. Okay, so pretty simple, you guys. We're just doing downbeats, slap with your lead hand, slap, 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 slap. And then we're playing tones on beat 3 of the first and third measures. So, I'm sorry, first and third beats. I have to get my terminology straight. All right, so that is slap, tone, slap, slap, tone, slap. 1, 2, 3, 4. Slap, tone, slap, slap, tone, slap. Pretty simple. Here it is again in rhythm. Okay, now, like I mentioned earlier, I'm just going to move ahead with Djembe 3 right here because it's literally almost the same. It's almost the same. All right, just listen. I think you'll figure it out. It's complementary. It's not the same, but it's very similar. Okay, so we're going to play, and there's different ways you can hand this or stick it. If you start with your right, you're going to play a slap, and then I'm going to alternate. So slap, slap, tone, tone, slap. Now you could do slap, whatever hand you lead on, you're going to end up on the other hand on the next beat. So if we do slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap. 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. So you can lead kind of 1 and 3 on the left or 2 and 4 on the right. Doesn't really matter. So I'm going to play slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap. So the first beat, the first thing I do is play a right, but then I end up on the left from there on in, if that makes sense. But basically it's just a 1, 2 and a 3, 4 and a 1. So slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap, slap, tone, tone, slap. And remember the other pattern was slap, tone, slap, slap, tone, slap. So the pattern Djembe 2 plays its tone in the first and third beats. Djembe 3, you play the tones in the second and fourth beats, right? So here it is again. Go to Djembe 2. 3, 4. All right, you guys. That's pretty much it. I'm going to leave notation down below for patrons, of course. The course's tier, so if you're not a patron at the course's tier, you will not see any notation, but that's for patrons. You can find out more about this rhythm in Mamady Keita's book, A Life for the Djembe. I recommend it. I'm Kalani. This is World Drum Club. Thanks for watching, you guys. And I'll leave a play-along track with the dunduns down below here as well. All right? See you guys next time. Thanks for being patrons. Thanks for watching.